Magandang gabi sa lahat. May fellow OFW dito sa Middle East. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Yung nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. Now, let us check kung ano yung price action ng PCI ngayon. No? How many days now yung PCI, umangat yung level ng PCI. So let us check today kung umangat pa rin si PCI. So let's go into the chart. Si PCI ay umangat ngayon ng 1.05%. And there is a foreign buying of 214.20 million. And this is the fourth days that PCI is going up. And now he's above AB 200. So, but this line, black line here, this is the resistance. So, if ever PCI ay break na itong resistance above, which is the black color, there's a possibility that PCI will go into this next resistance above. And if we see it, if ma-break niya, so magantay tayo ng another opportunity for PCI, no? Kasi yung RSI ay nasa 75.38. So it is in the overbought area. So we need to check if we can break the resistance above. As we see, the EDX is still below 25. So if ever mag-break niya itong resistance above, let's check if there is a retracement and going to this line. But if hindi niya ma-break yan, there is a possibility that PCI will going back to this line below. Okay. So this is the two scenario. If we break this resistance, then there's a possible direction going up to the next resistance. And in that time, we need to see also if there is a retracement. Because ngayon ay tumataas si PCI. So mahirap po, especially na sa mga blue chip companies, kasi yung 30 companies na nasa PCI, PCI ay sumusunod po yan sa general market, no? So PCI. So yun lang po ang scenario ngayon. There's two possible scenario. The PCI going up and break the resistance. There's a possibility that he will hit again on the next resistance above. But take note that PCI now is in an overbought condition. The level of certain stock is in the overbought condition that is prone for retracement. So we need to wait another time, another opportunity. So yan lang po yung strategy natin in trading the stock market. So now let's go to I have companies here requested by my friends, no? And they're asking about my thoughts about these companies. if what is my analysis, this is only a basis of analysis, uh, kung ano po yung possible na direction sa price direction, but it is not recommended for buying. But if it is in the support area, so it's good, no? We need to keep in touch always in the support area. And if the price pattern is bullish, so this is the first requirement we want to read the chart. If there is a bullish pattern, this it means it is showing the aggressiveness of the buyer if it is a bullish pattern. If it is a bearish pattern, of course, it is showing that the seller is inaggressive. So the request here is FLI. We have also BLL, SSI, MRSGI, DNL, MAX, and PHA. I think PHA ay nasa taas na yung price ngayon sa lahat ng exponential moving averages. But we need to see if there is a momentum, if it is in overbought condition, and if there is a strength. So tatlo lang po yung titingnan natin dyan. No, 4. Sa akin, I will consider the price action through bullish pattern. I will check the EDX if there is a strength, and RSI if it is overbought and oversold. And the other one is if MACD, if there is a momentum. Okay, now let's go to FLI. This stock, FLI, it is recommended for buying based on the investment guide. But make sure before we buy this stock, we should know and we should check it in the chart. So if ever somebody it is recommended by your may mga recommendation that this value of the stock is already mura na yung presyo. So for example, the FLI, the rating, the fair value of FLI is 1.25. This is the actual value of Philippine land. The current price of FLI is 0.95. So it means mura na po siya kasi mababa na siya sa 1.25. Ito po yung actual na value ng isang company, yung price niya ay 1.25. But ngayon, it is already in 0.95. And it is recommended to buy below 1 peso. So, if there is a recommendation, we need to check in the chart kung ano po yung sinabi dito through the price action. So kung makita natin dito the chart, for me, still there is no buy opportunity for FLI. So there's a possibility that this FLI will go back again to this line because today the candle is bearish candle. Okay, So, ibig sabihin ng bearish candle, the open price is higher than the closing price. So, nag-open siya sa 0.98 and he closed sa 0.95. So, it means bearish candle. So, today, ngayong araw, the winner is the seller. So, if we check here in the chart, he's always going sideways. Nasa sideways lang si Phil Invest. But for me, I will wait FLI to climb on this area. Okay? This is the time I need to watch FLI kung ma-break na itong resistant area. So, kung magawa tayo ng incline na support, we can put it here. We will drag all the uh, bottom price. So, there's a possibility that FLI will move on this location. So kung mag-steady lang si FLI dito, so it is good. So we need to watch kung mag-steady. But if ma-break na itong incline support, possible direction will be on this next bottom line, which is the support area also, the horizontal support. So we need to keep watch FLI kung mag-stay siya dito na area. But we need to check if hindi niya ma-break into incline support. So for me, the base is this area. Okay, but we need to see. If ever mag-stay siya dito, so it means that's good for FLI. Kung mag-stay siya dito sa above sa incline support. So we will see the next price action of FLI. So next one is VLL. Si Vistalan, no? Si Vistalan ay nag-sideway rin to si Vistalan. Tingnan natin yung chart. Nag-sideways. So there's a possibility that this CVLI will hit again this support, horizontal support below. So today there is a parent ceiling of 22.15 million. No? So wala pa tayong buy signal dito sa BLL. But we need to see if there's a bounce here in this support. So pwede tayo mag-disbuy dyan kung may bounce. And there's a possibility that he will going up again on this resistance line above if there is a bounce. So we need to watch in the support area if there is a bounce. So for me, this is good if you will climb above this area. But you can buy if this support will hold. No? Pwede naman kayo mag-buy. And then if hindi mag-materialize, then you can cut immediately. So but ngayon, wala po tayong buying signal kasi napaka-bearish po yung candle ni BLL ngayon. So may baka ma-break pa na itong support na ito, no? So we need to watch the next price action of BLL. If we see the ADX is still below 25. And MACD is now still above in the signal line, but is taper down, no? So we will see BLL, the next price action of BLL. Take note that this company, the price fair value of the company for today is 4.64 pesos per share. So we need to buy. It's recommended to buy below 3.7. But take note that we need to see first the price action kung ano po yung ginagawa ng price action. Kasi dito natin makikita if the buyer is in aggressive mode or the seller is in the aggressive mode. So even it is recommended for buying kasi mura na po yung presyo niya, but we need to watch first the price action. Okay? So hindi pwede na bili ng bili lang tayo kasi recommended siya for buying kasi nagmura na yung actual price niya. But in the original situation in the price action, wala tayong nakita na aggressiveness of the buyer. So keep away muna. The next one is SSI. SSI ay the actual fair value of SSI today is 2.4 pesos per share. So imagine today it's already 1.14. So ibig sabihin, mura na po si SSI. And it is recommended for buying at 1.8 pesos per share. But if you see the chart here, still there is no buy signal. Today there's a foreign ceiling of 3.75 million. So wala pa tayong buying signal for SSI. So if you see the chart here, this is the area na we need to watch this area. Kasi dito mas ano na yung pattern niya, no? May pagka-bullish na yung pattern kung umangat si PCSI on this line. But even if he will going up to this area and then this line is ay mag-hold, it's good also for us. So we need to see umangat siya dito na area. So this area and mag-hold yung area na ito. So there's a chance for SSI. But for now, we need to see SSI where he is going because if we put incline support, hindi naman tayo mag-draw ng incline support dyan. We will draw all the bottom line, bottom wick. So, yun po ang mangyari ni SSI, no? Magawa tayo ng incline support. Draw natin yung mga bottom wick. So, we need to watch SSI on this area. But if this incline support ay ma-break po niya, so it means it will go down in this incline, in this horizontal support. So we need to watch on this area kung mag-stay siya diyan. So there's a possibility na ma-break na itong resistant above. So we need to see maybe 2 to 3 days. We'll watch SSI, the next price action of SSI. But for now, still there's no buying opportunity for SSI. The other one recommended for buying because the price ay mura na po siya is the MRSGI, no? Si Metro Retails Store Group. The fair value of this company is 2.4 pesos per share. And now it is 1.43. So it means mura na po si MRSGI. And it is recommended for buying at 1.9 pesos per share. So ngayon ay nasa 1.43. So klarong-klaro na yung MRSGI ay mura na po yung price ni MRSGI. So but the issue here is still we did not see aggressiveness of the buyer. So now we will try to make another incline line here. We will check we will try kung mag-hold siya dyan. Kasi kung tingnan natin sa uh, overall price action, wala pa tayong makita na bullish pattern. So but if ever mag-hold siya dito, I think there's a possibility that he can break this resistance above. But if not, ma-break niya itong incline support na temporary na nilagay natin. This is our barrier. Kung may ano tayo dito, yung shares, so ito yung barrier natin, yung incline support. So kung ma-break ito, of course, it is understood that he will going back to this horizontal line below. The support line, which is the horizontal line below. But kung mag-stay si MRSGI diyan, so it means there's a possibility that he can break this resistance above. But take note, we need to buy always in the support area. So kung nandiyan na sa may resistance, so antay kayo na mag-pull back dito sa may incline support. And then if incline support and breakdown, then you go exit. Kung trading yung ano niyo, position trading or daily traders. But if you are investor, I think you can put more. You can add if you will going back to this horizontal line. Kung investor. So it's the different strategy in investing stock market. If your purpose is by trading, so you need to exit. But your purpose is for investing, you can buy more in every location where the support, kung nasaan yung support. Kung may bounce doon, you can buy. Kung investing ang purpose sa stock market. But if you're traders, so of course you need to protect your capital. So next one is DNL. DNL again is the actual fair value of DNL is 6.4, and now it is a 5.96. So mura siya sa actual fair value na 6.4. So now DNL ay tumaas siya kahapon about AMA 200. So kung i-project natin yung previous price action, itong blue line, ito po yung resistant area, no? So there's a possibility na kung ma-break ni DNL itong resistant above, we will hit this blue line. There is a possibility. But that is only a possible scenario. But for now, if you see the price action, nag-read po si DNL. So it means there is a possibility now that he will going back to this support line below. So we'll see, no? Tingnan natin kung saan si DNL mag-hold. Kasi nagpula po siya ngayon. So if there is kung mag-pull back si DNL, so it is good. Now we will try near there to put another barrier, which is the incline support. Malayo pa po siya, no? So we will see kung may bounce dito na area. Kung bababa siya, and then there's a bounce here, we will see. But for me, my own analysis, kung ma-break na itong resistant na black horizontal line above, there is a possibility that he will going to this incline resistant, the blue line. So we need to watch DNL. Kung may bounce dito sa may support area. Kasi ngayon, there's a parent ceiling of 6.18 million. So we'll see if there's a retracement. Kung mag-sideway yung retracement or by true price, pagpasa dito sa may horizontal support. But if we retrace through time, so there's a possibility that he's going sideways. So we'll see the next price action of DNM. The next one is Max. Si Max po ang fair value ni Max ay 4.95. 9.45. So now, si Max, kung tingnan natin dito, nag-retrace. So we need to watch the Max now to this location. Kung mag-stay si Max dito, so for me, I can position here kung mag-stay. But kung ma-break no itong support, then I will go exit. So this is the only way on trading the stock market. If the support is break, then we go exit. So we'll see, no? Kung tingnan natin yung overall pattern ni Max, this is good kung mag-stay siya dito na area. Okay? So for now, still we don't have buying signal for Max, but we need to monitor this Max. Next one is, last one is PHA. Kung si PHA, ay tumataas to si PHA, no? Si Premier Horizon Alliance Corporation. So kung tingnan natin dito sa nandito yung resistant. Now nag-retrace si PHA. We will see on this area. Tingnan natin kung mag-down siya dito or hindi. Kung ma-break ni PHA itong resistant, so it's good for PHA. But now, abangan natin si PHA, no? Sinandan sa resistant area. So kung tingnan natin yung MACD, mayroong momentum po si MACD, no? And the index is above 25. So there's a strength. So we need to see if there's a retracement for PHA. Pero kung nakabantay kayo sa market, no problem, you can buy if the dips. Kung mayroon kayong time sa market. So you can reduce the time frame to 1 hour or to 5 minutes. So, but for me, I'm checking the daily time frame kasi pag may trabaho, mahirap po tayo mag-trade, daily trade. So we need to position kung saan yung magandang area na may aggressiveness of the buyer, yung pattern. There is a bullish pattern. So we will watch BTC. We'll see if they going back here, they meet 20. So, but kung mabulin natin yan, mataas na po yan. So galing sa my support, it's now 11%. So we just wait for another opportunity for PHA. Kung ma-break itong MA 200, so tomorrow, it's good. But now, nandito pa sa ibaba ng MA 200. So he's trying to break MA 200 last October 15, but hindi niya na-break si MA 200. So we need to see if there's a retracement going to MA 20. Okay? So if you see the volume also here, humina yung volume niya dito sa dito umangat yung volume. So we'll see. But for now, there's no buying opportunity for PHA unless he break this line, MA 200, and there's a pullback, or he will going back to MA 20. So abangan natin yan. Pag bumalik sa MA 20. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. This strategy, this my, kasi hindi po ako makapag-trading daily trade. Wala pong time. So if you have comments, just put your comments below. If you have stock that you need to check, and we need to share each other. No, it's the only way we can improve our trading strategy. Because our purpose only in the stock market is mag-gain po tayo ng profit. So yun lang po yung pinaka-purpose natin dito. So we need to share. Kung mayroon kayong nalalaman na hindi ko nalalaman, maybe I can apply it. So sharing is the best. So wala po tayong dito sa stock market. The main purpose is the profit. Okay? So pag tumataas na yung stock, take profit. So yan lang po yung why we entering the stock market, because of we need profit. Okay. So before I end, thank you for watching Engineer Edwin Bilan. Engineer Edwin Vergara, thank you for your support also. And to Engineer Enrique Lamontad, to my friend also in Kuwait and in Riyadh, Engineer Ryan Lasaka and Engineer Richard Lorono. So thank you for your support. And to John Marching, thank you. To Bro Angles, thank you very much also. To my brothers and sisters, thank you for your support. Okay, that's all for today. And God bless us all always.